In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change file accessing permissions in Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what each permission means, so your files are shared with the right level of control. First, look for the Google Apps icon in your browser. It's the small grid of dots usually at the top right of your Google page. Click that to open the app menu, then click Drive. This takes you straight into your Google Drive, where all your files and folders live. Next, find the file you want to change. Click on the file to select it. You don't need to open it, just make sure it's highlighted so you're working on the correct item. If you pick the wrong file, just click once on the right one to switch your selection. With the file selected, click the three dots, often labeled More Actions. This opens a menu with options specific to the file you chose. From this menu, click Share. The Share panel is where you control who can do what with your file. Inside the Share panel, look for the permission options and choose whether the person or people should be an editor, a commenter, or a viewer. Editor is the most powerful role. Editors can make direct changes to the content, rearrange items, and in many cases share the file further. Use this when you're actively collaborating and you trust others to edit. Commenter is a great middle ground. Commenters can't change the actual content, but they can leave comments and suggestions. This is perfect for feedback and reviews because it keeps your original content intact while still letting others weigh in. Viewer is the most restricted role. Viewers can open and read the file, but they can't comment or edit. Choose this when you want to share information without the risk of changes, like sending a final report or a reference document. As you make your selection, think about what the person really needs to do. If you only want feedback, commenter prevents accidental edits. If you need help building or fixing the file, editor gives full access. And if you're sharing for reference, viewer keeps everything safe. That's all there is to it. Open the Google Apps menu, go to Drive, select your file, click the three dots, click Share, and choose Editor, Commenter, or Viewer. Your choice updates the file's access, and you can adjust it again anytime if needs change. Thanks for watching, and enjoy managing your file permissions with confidence.